当地时间2月18日，被称为白癜风超模的温妮、哈洛与有着 NBA 美男子称呼的凯尔、库兹马联合在社交媒体上公布了喜讯，他们订婚了。从现年30岁的哈洛分享的画面看，求婚是在私人飞机上进行的，舱内布满了红玫瑰，很是浪漫。按照哈洛的说法，身为密尔沃基雄鹿队一员的库兹马给他读了一首他写的诗，并问他是否愿意嫁给他，同时送上了一枚8.5克拉的椭圆形钻石戒指。而当他们抵达加勒比海岛时，哈洛的家人已经等在那里了。这对于这位出生于加拿大的超模来说，又是另外的一个大惊喜。
What do you remember about our first kiss?
It was magical, honestly. Yeah, I think it was the first time we met officially.
What I remember is talking to you for a month straight and you being like, all right, we can't do this no more. Like, you need to come here now.
I flew you out to California to see me during COVID.
And you were like, I'm gonna get you a jet.
You were wearing this baby blue velour fit.
You came outside, came out no shirts, walking with the abs and stuff.
I gave you a hug as soon as I saw you.
I walked inside, he helped bring my bags inside and stuff.
Gentlemen, we got into the house and I just smucked one on you.
And I've been in love ever since.
Me too.
Just go for it. Why not?
Just go for it.
You only live once. Kiss with confidence.